everyone, welcome to Food Pros with me Archana. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make carrot halwa. Carrot halwa is the most traditional and classic recipe in Indian cuisine which is made during the festival season. This carrot halwa is very easy with minimum ingredients, and let's see how to make this carrot halwa. To make this halwa, all we need is shredded carrot 3 cups, sugar half a cup, milk half a cup, chopped nuts 2 tablespoons and some ghee, which is like 3 to 4 tablespoons. Let's start making our carrot halwa. To a pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee and the temperature is between medium and medium low. To this ghee, let's start sauteing our grated carrots. Here I've used 3 cups of carrots which I have grated in the smallest hole in the grater box. In case if you would like to go for a bigger size, you may choose the bigger size as well. In case if you have chosen the smaller size like which I have done today, the cooking time will be like between 5 to 7 minutes. In case if you have grated the carrots in the bigger hole in your grater box, choose the time between 10 to 12 minutes or until the carrot smell fades. And make sure the temperature is always in medium, otherwise our carrots will get burnt in the bottom. And the carrot halwa consistency when we start cooking will eventually shrink. So depending upon the size of your family, increase the quantity amount of the carrots too. It's almost 5 minutes right now. You can see the carrots, they have shrunk. It's partially cooked. And the next step is adding milk. The most crucial part in this carrot halwa is this step. Completely reduce the temperature of your pan right now before adding milk. I'm adding half a cup of 2% organic milk. In case if you have a full fat milk, with pleasure you can add full fat. That will give the richness to our halwa. The most crucial step of this halwa is adding milk and cooking the carrots with the milk, because carrot halwa is a recipe which calls for low and slow cooking. The lower the temperature is, the higher and richer the flavor will be. So always cook the carrots with the milk on low temperature to avoid getting burns in the bottom, which will ruin the consistency and the taste of our carrots. Our carrots are completely cooked and the mixture has thickened. Now I'm adding 1 pinch of saffron. This is completely optional because while cooking the carrots with the milk, it reduces the natural color of the carrots. So adding this will give an extra flavor and extra color. And it is natural too. Rather adding any artificial color, you can add saffron. Now let's add half a cup of sugar. But make sure before you add sugar, the milk and the carrot should be completely cooked and there should be no raw smell, because the sugar caramelizes very quickly, and in case if there is any raw smell, it will ruin our carrot halwa. So add sugar when the raw smell and milk are completely cooked and faded away. You can see the halwa is almost coming to consistency, and in case if you would wish to have your halwa in a little runny consistency, you can add 1/4 cup of milk right now, and then you can have a little runny consistency of halwa. In case if you don't want the runny consistency and you prefer the traditional thick halwa, completely cook until the sugar is caramelized and our halwa is in a nice thick stage. It's almost close to 3 to 5 minutes right now and the halwa is in the perfect consistency. I can see the bits of carrots here and there. The carrots are not completely mushy or squishy. It still holds the shape, but it is completely cooked. It is always recommended for a good carrot halwa where we can taste the bits of carrots. In case if you have chosen the bigger carrots, the taste will even be enhanced because we can taste the actual carrot bits in every single bite we have. Our carrot halwa is ready and we have the last and final step to finish our halwa. I am turning off the stove right now and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. You may wonder what this 1 teaspoon of ghee is going to do magic. This 1 teaspoon of ghee is the flavor enhancer of our halwa, because every spoonful you eat, you get the authentic taste of the carrots and ghee together. Finally, let's add some chopped nuts and let's serve our carrot halwa. I've added some almonds, pistachios and cashew nuts which are finely chopped. This is a traditional carrot halwa, but I'll be sharing you the other ways to enhance the carrot halwa. The first step is adding mawa or khoya. You can get in any supermarket and this will enhance the flavor. It gives the carrot halwa a nice texture to hold. The next step will be adding condensed milk. Condensed milk is a pack full of sugar, so in case if you choose to add condensed milk, just discard the sugar which we added prior and add half cup of condensed milk. The next step will be prefer Delhi carrots because Delhi carrots are the authentic carrots to be used in the carrot halwa, but since we don't get it in the south, we prefer the regular carrots. In case if you get some, they give you the bright red color to our halwa. I hope you all loved the carrot halwa which we did today and the tips would be useful too. Do try this if they're in your home and then share it with me in the comment box how well it came. I will meet you all in another video. Until then, bye from Archana. Bye bye.